Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Binance Convert for instant trades. I just tap on account and officially logged in, and I will be just move in my home icon, which is top left bottom corner. So just tap on this home, and from here you will see the in dashboard convert button. So just tap on this convert button in your dashboard, and after inside when you tap on it, you will see there is from to. So you can just select the coin. There are many coins. You can also select in USDT. I select USDT, and in Bitcoin or BNB, though anyone you can choose it, but right now I will just tap on this BTC. So from here you can just add 100 USDT and it will be converted. You will see the in BTC balance is there. You will see 0.00 and something you will see. So it's very easy and simple. You just always convert your coin from USDT to in some. So you will see in more details. You will see if you want to increase, you will just tap on it. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.